commercial entrance hardware. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. Join us as we discuss hardware for specific applications across entrances and how to choose the best hardware for your project. So hardware, again, is broken into different groups based on its function. We talk about weathering. This is the gaskets around a door, the bulb gaskets around it, the astragals. All doors are going to have some type of weathering to try to stop air blowing around the door, stop water from getting around it, and also to make the operation of the door quiet. If you didn't have weathering, when doors close, it slam metal to metal. So weathering kind of silences and buffers the door closing, also provides for air and water control. Closures, very important aspect of a door. All doors have to have closers on them. Closers have a couple of functions that are important. I want to cover those with you. Closers are designed to return the door to a closed position and control the speed of the door as it closes, and hold the door in a closed position against stack pressure. So those are the main functions of a closer. There's two big categories of closers, and that is surface mounted or concealed. When we talk about surface mounted, that's either going to be on the door or on the transom, and then concealed is going to be either within the transom bar or in the floor underneath the door. So two types of closers, either surface mounted or concealed. Now, closers, I mentioned speed. They're designed to control the speed of the door. So your choice of a closer is very important for safety of the occupants of the building. When a closer opens, the first, say, 80 degrees is what we call the opening swing, and the closer controls how quick that door can open. You don't want it just swinging open rapidly, so it controls the speed of it. So that's the opening speed. Now, from 80 degrees on to about 90 degrees, we have an added feature called back check. What back check does is it buffers the speed of the door, or really slows it down. So somebody opening the door, they're going to go through the swing speed. Then when they hit the back check, it really starts to slow the door down so it doesn't come to a hard thump. Again, back check is a safety feature, and it is an option that can be added onto a closer. Beyond that is another feature called hold open. Once you push the door to 100 degrees, push it a little bit further to 105, and you'll hear the closer click, and it holds the door in an open position. Then you push it again, it clicks, and the door will swing back. So that's a very nice feature if you're looking for the ability to hold a door in an open position while equipment or things are moved in and out through the opening. Then same with closing the door, there are two speeds. And again, these are very important. The first speed is what we call the closing speed. That's going to be about an 85-degree sweep. That's the closing speed. Then the last 15 degrees is the latch speed. Now, altogether, this should take about 7 or 8 seconds for the door to close. And again, this is a safety issue. You don't want the door opening so quickly that it's hitting people from behind, knocking them down. So your sweep speed and latch speed should take about 7 to 8 seconds. The last latch speed is a quicker close because a lot of hardware needs a little bit of a thump or a bang when the door engages the frame for the hardware to reset. So the latch speed is a very short little speed that hits a little bit harder to engage the hardware. So let me kind of summarize those here for you now. We have a pair of doors. You can see the first swing is the opening swing. Then we have back check and then hold open. So you can see the three different stages of the opening of the door. Now closing, we have the close speed and then the latch speed, the last 15 degrees. So all closers have those speeds built into them. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.